Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to discuss about Internet of Things, that is IoT. I have done some small picture from Cisco packet tracer where you will get from the Cisco. Okay, this is an wireless network, means that next few years everything will be digitalized in this country. In this country, not in this world, I can say everything will be digital. So here is one example of IoT home automation. I'm doing this is because IoT home automation, it will be further implemented in every part of the world, not in every part of the country. So you can see here. Okay, so here you can see solar panel and a smart battery, a garage, a smart door, uh, which in its everything is connected, and you are connected to this in a wireless manner. So you need a smartphone or tablet to connect this to the home gateway. So you will get a physical tab. Okay, we have connected to an IP configuration. We'll get the IP address, and then we'll place it on our web browser, and you have to type your username to access every device. Here we have implemented like that and submit. There you can able to see each and every device, each and every sensor, I can say, which is connected to the single wireless network. So you can control them easily. I've shown some of the example how to control them. You to control them, it is very easy. Just you need a single tablet. Okay, you can connect, you can modify the devices that you can able to connect with manually also. Here I connected everything in a wireless manner. So you can see a node MCU, which is a microcontroller, I can say, which stores the device information and sends to the cloud to store the data via internet. See, I'm controlling your smart fans. So yes. As you can see in the example, I am controlling each and everything in with a wireless manner, as you saw. So by using a voice command also you can control them, or by using a tablet mode by tapping on the button which you want, means like fan. We have to meet in a medium or full highlight, or a smart table lamp. Yes, that yellow color one is a table lamp where you can control you with a single touch. Smart window, smart cooling heater, and everything will be controlled using a smart devices only. And all this data is stored in our cloud, means stored in the Cisco cloud networking. It's easy. Internet of Things is very easy. Okay, this is means IoT has started from recent, from 3 to 4 years. From 3 to 4 years, the data has been, means in IoT you have to, the census data is valuable, so you have to store the data. By storing the data, it has created some large amount of big data. It has been collected from 2 years. It has collected almost means the back, how many sensors were there, the double time of the data is being collected.